your ideas.
Up first, the loudest slime.
While Sammy is busy explaining the rules, I can start. Oh, wow! This slime is so squishy! I really like it!
Now let me introduce our jury. This is Madison, the owner of a large slime factory. Laura, she has an ASMR channel. And Bella, a famous crafter. To measure how loud our slimes are, we'll use a special gadget. And here's the prize for the winner. Our first participant, Melany. Tell us about your idea.
What if we make a gradient slime? Just like my outfit.
Okay, why not? This is a regular shaving cream to make our slime less thick and more fluffy.
Sue, how is it going? Huh? What's that? Ah! Help!
Hold on a second. This will help me measure the needed amount of slime.
I will defend you. Where is it?
Just give me this.
And now, music break!
Time to add some color. Pink goes first. Sam loves it. Now let's do this. This should help with the coloring.
Wow, I've never seen this before.
Now I'll stretch it and squeeze it to blend in the coloring even more. Check this out!
Wow, what a beautiful color!
The next slime is going to be blue. This time, we'll use a rolling pin. Perfect! This one is done too. Another piece for our mega slime. What color should we pick?
Purple!
I think it's a great choice. I'll make a small pit in the middle and pour some purple coloring inside. The better we mix it all together, the prettier color we get. Wow, look at this! Let's put all our slimes side by side. And let them set a bit.
Mel, why gradient?
You see, I wanted to take part in your show, but I didn't have any ideas. Then I saw a dress with a gradient. It inspired me.
Great story. Now let's see what we've got. So nice to the touch. And on the other side? Ah, great! The colors have mixed wonderfully.
What's your verdict?
It's stretchy and very pretty.
Looks like a galaxy. Ugh!
Let's do more tests. So wiggly.
What is it gonna be?
We'll cut it and get colorful candy.
Guys, like this video if you think our candy heart is cool.
These are so cute and squishy. Let's mix them all together again.
Let's see what our jury has to say.
It's nice, but not great.
Awesome!
Oh, I wish I could part in that show. I've got an idea.
It's the first call today. Hello?
I dare you to create a slime semisphere.
Challenge accepted.
First, we'll need a bit of glue, a few drops of coloring, and glitter. And now, I'll mix it all together. The key is to spread it evenly. The next one will be red.
Sue, we've got no red glitter.
Oh, well, we can use pink. There we go. Carefully. Does it look pretty or what?
Here's one more bowl, Sue.
Great! This one's gonna be green. Wow, I really love this color. Well, we only need to wait for a while.
I think that's enough.
Okay, let's give it a try. Ah, so cool. Awesome.
They remind me of...
I know, little tables, right? Or they can be cool hats.
Wow, I look good, don't I?
No.
I kind of like them.
They're okay.
Oh, it's Sam's show today. I've got a perfect idea. I'll send him a letter.
Let's check our mail. We've got tons of letters from contestants. Cindy is asking to create a slime shaped like a donut.
Got it. What a cool idea. I know exactly what to do. Let's give this clay a donut shape. And color it. We can't do without glitter.
This is exciting. I feel chills.
Excuse me for a second. Oh yeah, I could really use this. Voila! Glitter magic! And even this is still not enough.
Sue, look! I've made a donut too!
And it's almost perfect, Sammy. But what if we slightly change its color? What do you say?
Looks like a marble!
I'm glad you like it. Okay, the shape is done. Now, some glaze. And some glitter too. And the final touch, donut sprinkles.
Those donuts look so real. I gotta check. Wow, so nice to the touch.
Great, it's time to squish them. Now, the other one. How about we mix them together?
I'm hungry now. Let's go grab some donuts later.
Deal!
The highest mark. Great ASMR.
Yeah, loved it!
I'm almost finished. Oh no! That's an idea. A winning idea.
Please, welcome our next guest. What's your idea?
Transparent slime with glitter.
Sounds exciting! Let's do this. We'll need water and some paint. Now, let's mix it all together. And add glitter.
Wow.
Next goes the glitter Ken has brought. This is our slime! Look like jelly! Oh, I'm so curious! I've never created anything like this before! What an amazing color!
So you're saying it can be the winner?
So unusual.
But we've got more contestants.
Hi all! Our idea is to make a color palette with different slimes.
Now, that's a tricky task, but I'll do my best.
I've brought a few new slimes. I thought you'd need them.
Wow, Sammy, they're so unusual! Thank you! You know what? Let's decorate the rest of them too! And now, we need to mix it all. We also need to make the covers. This is the size we need. See? It fits. And the last one, what a cute palette.
Looks fantastic, but I need to test it myself. Okay, let's see. Oh wow. Yes, these slimes are simply the best.
Sue, I think it's time for our ASMR test.
You're right. Let's get to it.
Yay! Come on, Susie, smash those two.
And now, let's do this. Wow! Just look at all these colors!
Amazing. Perfect.
The jury has made the final decision.
The winner is the palette of slime. It looks and sounds perfect.
Ladies, come here and get your prize.
Wow, thank you so much. So unexpected.
Friends,